Nokia Edge 2017 specifications, price and launching dates in India. Nokia has introduced its first ever Android smartphone Nokia Edge very soon. Here we are going to cover complete details about this upcoming smartphone, including Nokia Edge smartphone official specifications, Nokia Edge price, Nokia Edge launching dates in India and other relevant things. Nokia was once the king of basic smartphones in India. Time changed and Android took over the Indian market completely. Companies like Micromax, Carbon, Lava, Giant etc. exploited the offer and pushed Nokia completely behind the race. But now Nokia is going to make grand comeback with Nokia Edge 2017 smartphone. It is going to be the first Android smartphone from our very favorite company Nokia. Although Nokia hasn't confirmed anything about the name of upcoming Nokia Android smartphone, but for now we call it Nokia Edge only. As per the reports, Edge smartphone from Nokia is going to house very high-end features that will directly put it in head-to-head competition with smartphone giants like Apple, Samsung, Sony, LG, Google Pixel etc. Believe us, Nokia fans were waiting for this moment since years now. They were waiting for the time when Nokia will come up with first ever Android smartphone that can provide them the trust of Nokia and super amazing features and freedom of Android OS. Nokia Edge 2017 is not going to be alone in the race. Nokia is going to cover all price segments, entry-level, medium and high-end, in coming months. Edge 2017 is reserved for high-price bracketed customers. Two other smartphones, Nokia E1 and Nokia D1C, are also announced to compete at entry and medium-level smartphone market. These smartphones are all set to push Nokia high in ranking charts very soon. Nokia is launching many feature phones also. In last couple of weeks we have seen 3-4 basic feature smartphones from company. For now it appears, Nokia do not want to leave any stone untouched in any of the price segment. They are known for budget feature smartphone and they are not going to leave crown any soon. Process of launching smartphones is going to take speed now. As per the reports, company is going to unveil first Android smartphone real soon. It will be either Nokia D1C or Nokia E1. They will not start with Edge at the first, as they will be reserving this beast for the future launches. With lots of being said here, it will really be interesting to see how audience will react to new Android smartphones from Nokia. Will they accept the old kind once again, or they will simply keep continuing with the existing brands like Samsung, Xiaomi, etc. Stay in tune. Nokia Edge 2017 official technical features and specifications. Screen: 5.5-inch 2K resolution 441 ppi screen. OS: latest Android OS, Android 7.0 Nougat. Processor: octa-core processor with 3GB RAM. Camera: 23MP Carl Zeiss lens rear and 8MP front-facing cameras. Internal memory: 32GB with expandability option. Battery: 3600 mAh battery. Connectivity: 4G smartphone, dual SIM, Bluetooth, GPS, all basic and advanced connectivity features. Sensors: proximity, fingerprint scanner, accelerometer, gyro etc. Price: Rs. 4060K. Launch date: 2017, May to April. Let we discuss the technical specifications in detail now. Screen: with 5.5-inch screen having 441 packed pixels at high 2K resolution is something that a Nokia lover can only dream about. Till now we have seen Nokia smartphones with very basic screen specifications only, be it their Windows smartphone or basic ones. For the first time, Nokia is going to introduce such high-end screen in their smartphone. Memory: it is going to come with 3GB RAM and 32GB internal memory cabinets. 3GB RAM seems to be perfect with an octa-core CPU. It is expected to produce very high-end results for all kind of tasks. You can expand internal storage of Nokia Edge with help of standard micro SD card even, max limit is yet to be disclosed. Camera: on camera front, it is going to stand in queue with professional DSLRs. With 23MP Carl Zeiss lens, it is going to provide mind-blowing image capturing experience. It might come with a 8MP front-facing camera that will also be second to none in their respective category. Autofocus: geotagging etc. features will be there to take the camera experience to complete next level. Battery. It is going to run on strong 3600 mAh battery that must keep it charged for 1-2 days completely, with full use. Processor and operating system. Nokia Edge comes with an octa-core processor that is coupled with 3GB RAM and modern GPU system. This configuration is strong enough to play all high-end games and apps on 5.5-inch screen. It will be deployed with latest Android OS, most probably Android 7.0 Nougat.